One of the main reasons why people choose this instead of the ones I already mentioned is, first of all, because of its discretion. If you do interviews or if you do videos like this, or even if you make videos for your business, these ones are the most discreet of all these super small wireless microphones, and the quality of it is also remarkable, sometimes even for half the price of the other microphones. These retail for something around $100 and $120, something like that. Of course, it's an investment, but comparing itself to other microphones of this range, it has a lot to offer. And when it comes to using them further away from the camera or from your cell phone, from your smartphone, they hold up really well. I actually use them for a football match with my friends. But in terms of a specific distance, I didn't have problems going 50 meters away, 60 meters away, and you can go even further away, but make sure to always face the camera or the phone, because if you're not doing that, you will likely miss the signal a little bit if you're further away, of course. As you've seen in almost any of my other videos, they are super useful for a lot of different purposes. You also get all of these accessories, for example, a clip-on attachment. You also have like a necklace kind of attachment. It almost serves as an accessory, you know. It's so discreet that it almost looks good, and that is something I appreciate. You get this travel bag, you have the case obviously for you to charge the microphones, the receiver, and you get a USB to a USB-C cable to charge the microphones. You also have the windscreens in case you have that kind of weather. This microphone also has a noise cancellation profile. You can enable it right here, so that when you activate one, both change to that profile. So this is useful in case you are doing an interview and it's getting loud out there. You can quickly enable this or disable this without reaching the other microphone, so you don't disturb the interview or who you are interviewing. This is also something that you can modify in its app, in the Hollyland app. There are two modes there. You have the weak noise cancellation and the strong one. So in conclusion, is it worth it? I think yes. This microphone, this lavalier microphone, it's been my first microphone of this kind. I tend to use more of like the dynamic microphones or condenser microphones, but the features you have with this kind of microphone, you can use them wireless in a park, in a convention. This surely will do the work. So yeah, for that price range, you get a lot of quality in a small package, and it's, for me, worth it. It obviously depends on the kind of videos you are making. All those kind of places or situations, I would highly recommend buying something like this. I will leave you the link on the description box as well. So yeah, it's up to you whether you decide it's time for a dynamic microphones, a lavalier microphones, a shotgun one. So yeah, I hope I see you soon.